Next skill that you need to learn is travel management as an executive virtual assistant. Because travel management, a lot of clients travel for business, for pleasure. Okay? And you have to also understand in the US, it's really big. Dito sa Philippines, we only have one time zone all across our regions from Luzon, Visayas to Mindanao. We are just living in one time zone. With the US, the mainland, yung USA nila, kung nasan yung bulk of their states, it crosses four time zones. So you have, yesterday I had the talk, nakalimutan ko yung isang time zone. So you have Eastern, Mountain, Pacific, nakalimutan ko na naman yung isa. Oh, go. Hanap. Sino magko-comment? We have Central. There you go. Oh, di ba? Ang galing. So, yon. So, those are the four time zone. It crosses four time zones.